Hello everyone, this is the second video on this video series on how to design a hair spa website with WordPress and free Elementor page builder. Okay, in our previous video, in our first video, we have installed the WordPress and all the necessary plugins and themes. We have already set up this website, WordPress website. Now let's create the menu and design our header. Here you can go to menus and create the menu, or you can go to dashboard, appearance and menus. Here, okay, you can create a new menu. Let's call it main menu. This will be our main menu. Okay, and let's add first custom link. It should be our home page menu like this, and let's add our pages about services gallery contact, about services gallery contacts. Okay, add to menu. Contact should be last, about should be second, gallery should be the last but one, like this. 5 menu items. Okay, save the menu. Now we have created the menu, primary menu, save menu. Here, yep, you'll see the menu here. Okay, and then if you have logo, then you can upload the logo from customize. Here in the site identity, here you can select the logo and upload. If you want to use text, site title is the logo of your website, then it's okay. But I suppose you must have a logo. Most of the spas is established set up formal companies. They have their own brand logo. So yeah, upload your logo here. And let's start designing our header. Here in the appearance, header, footer and blocks, here you can add new template. Let's call it header. Select template type header, display on entire website, user role for all users, and appear post attribute, Elementor canvas, publish it. Okay, edit with Elementor. Here it is full wide header. There is a social icon on the right side. Yeah, we don't need it. And let's design a header with a box, contain white box. Okay, here it is full white, but let's go with the box one. And site title, yeah, it should be site title. Okay, here is spa, and then menu, navigation menu here. That's it. Okay. Okay, main menu, last item, for, okay, star, this color, white, okay, white, color, white, active color, white. Yeah, we can change the color later, but let's set up the layout first. And now we can go to the advanced setting of this section and stick header effects, enable it, and then transparent header. Yeah, here is a transparent header. So yes, click on transparent header. Background color white. Or maybe black. Update it. Yep. And let's try it. Refresh this home page. Yep. This is our header. We have not designed a home page, so we cannot see it properly in the header. But the thing is, yeah, it is, or this header is overlaying over the first section, the hero section of this section. Okay, that's it for the header. We have already set up the header. In this video we create the menu and set up the header. For the any changes for color or any typography changes, we can do it in the later part. Let's set up the layout first.